Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You want this done efficiently. First, put on a rubber glove and protect surrounding paint with a cloth. Apply penetrating oil around the base of the metal valve cap and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes so the lubricant breaks corrosion bonds. Meanwhile, position yourself so you can apply steady torque without slipping. Use pliers only if you can avoid crushing the valve stem. Once the oil has soaked in, grip the cap with a strap wrench and prepare to turn slowly counterclockwise. Now focus on controlled leverage. Wrap a strap wrench tightly and pull steady counterclockwise while keeping your wrist aligned to avoid slippage. If it still doesn't budge, give the cap a few light taps with a hammer to fracture rust bonds. Don't ding the valve stem. Make sure to reapply penetrating oil if you see metal shavings. If necessary, carefully heat the cap area with a heat gun for 15 to 30 seconds to expand metal. Then try the strap wrench again, maintaining slow, steady force. When the cap finally turns, back it off slowly so you don't strip threads or damage the valve core. If you feel resistance, stop and reassess. Inspect the core for bending or debris and replace it if needed to prevent leaks. Clean threads with a brush, dry them, and apply a small amount of anti-seize before fitting a new metal or plastic cap. If the cap remains immovable after heat and oil, remove the wheel for better access or consult a professional to avoid harming the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.